IATF 16949 and ISO 13485. From consumer electronics and medical devices to automotive and aerospace, we build custom cables that deliver reliable performance every time. Our range includes LVDS micro-coaxial waterproof and molded cables, all using top connectors from brands like Molex, JST and Tyco. With fast lead times and outstanding service, we make it easy to get exactly what you need. Contact us today and let's power your next project together. IATF 16949 and ISO 13485. From consumer electronics and medical devices to automotive and aerospace, we build custom cables that deliver reliable performance every time. Our range includes LVDS micro-coaxial